finished, but ding dong.
Who's that?
Yo, it's Combo Bunga 2020 and you should like, subscribe and like my videos and yeah, okay, bye. I mean, okay, hi. What? Iron? No, it's not. God damn it. Anyways, balloons. It's not how you say it, you stupid idiot. You idiot. Anyways, oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, balloons. Balloons. Okay, hi gamers, it's your boy Combo Bunga 2020 here. Oh my goodness. This is a game. Balloons! We're gonna be playing Resort. Medium, because I already did hard. Medium. We're just gonna be beating medium today. That's all. Okay, bye. Okay, hi, engineer. Go get him. Let me take it down to like very low. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. That's my boy. Oh yeah, iron. No, it's not. God. Shut up. No one cares about iron. What did I push in there? No one cares. No one. Oh no, a balloon got passed. I am done now. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you liked and subscribe. That balloon's clearly gonna go to. Never mind. Sentry. Engineer. TF2. Sentry down. No. I am done. Pop it. Oh, wait. Let's go. Anyways. I don't have the beast handler. Shut up! I'm sorry, Leadsworth. You know I love you. You know you're my Leanie. Whoa. Shouldn't say that. Whoops. I'm tired of these balloons. Let's get a dart monkey. Excuse me. Oh my god, almost fell on my chair. That would have been embarrassing, I gotta say, eh? Set. What am I yapping about? What do we want? Sharp shots and quick shots. Oh no, I like the crossbow more. I'm done now. Excuse me. Okay. Excuse me again, Lord. So I originally had balloons. Tower Defense 6. But it was the Apple Arcade version of it. Balloons Tower Defense 6 Plus. Really wasn't a plus though. It just made it different. You couldn't purchase stuff with real life money. Pretty stupid, I know. And that spot right there is begging for a tack shooter. Anyways, so like you couldn't buy stuff, and obviously had to pay $5 a month for Apple Arcade, which I did for a while. Thing is, didn't really play anything but that, and I was like, I'm done. I don't want to pay for this anymore just for Monkey Game. So I didn't. Several months go by. I've been Apple paid, gifted $50 from my aunt for my birthday. Shout out. And boom, here we are. Balloons. Don't have to pay $5 a month. None of that. Fortunately, data did not save, which I am a little bit done because of it. But I've only been playing for like 2 days now. A lot of the stuff is upgraded. In fact, I already got the Engineer's Sentry. And some of the sniper tier 5s, they're my two favorites. My engineer is my goat. Forever and always. He's my favorite. Although I want to try the beast handler. Also, we should probably save up for Striker.
Striker Jones.
Straight up. Mr. Jones by the Counting Crows. Oh my goodness. Can't believe it. Can you believe it? Probably not. Because you suck. I'm sorry. I know lead balloons are coming up soon. So I want the boom guy. I want Boom Man. Yeah. Put him right there.
Love this.
Oh yeah. Striker Jones. Mr. Jones and me. No, not Mr. Jones from the Counting Crows, you idiot. I'm sorry, you're right. No, that's my bet. I could tell a story. My school is doing esports stuff, and I'm like, okay, I like Super Smash Bros. Ultimate for the Nintendo Switch. I'll join. It's the only game I wanted to play. I did not intend on playing any other one. And I did not play any other one. Just Smash. Because, you know, I'm a word on the street. I'm pretty good. And I agree with the words on the street. I'm gonna overdrive. And, first 2 weeks, didn't win a single match. But damn it, I had fun. Well, a single match against, like, hang on. I'm done. Okay, we got a ninja. I haven't upgraded him at all, but we got one. Middle path. Go ahead and get Seeking Shuriken, Sharp Shuriken, stuff like that. Anyways, today I won against the guy who was like,
Not really my opposition, but kind of at level.
what the f? He was better than me. Worst part is, he plays Kirby. And I was like, okay, it's an F tier. So what? I'll win this. No! Didn't win a single match. He moved on me. I got him down to 1 stock. No! So now there's this other guy who's a senior.
Oh my goodness.
He plays Incineroar. And my brother plays Incineroar, so I have a lot of experience fighting in Incineroar. And I'm like, okay, this can't be too difficult. No! You think Meta Knight's a good matchup against Incineroar? I did too. Apparently not. And I went, I'm done. Friday, I'm gonna have a bit of a chance to redeem myself though. Friday is tomorrow, as of recording. Oh shoot, lead balloons. I could pay off my tab, pull myself in a cab, and be back to work for 2. At a moment like this, can't help but wonder, what would Jimmy Buffett do?
Funny you should ask that, Alan.
I'd say poor bees up in Holland strong, and get a hurricane before I go insane.
Sniper monkey.
Excuse me. I always go faster firing or elite sniper. This one's okay. They're all good. Sniper's the one who's just always good all around. Round 32, only got like 6 monkeys on the field. That's crazy. Crazy?
I was crazy once. Shut the fuck.
Huh? Uh-oh. 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 Oh god. Oh no. Nah. Ninja Monkey's got this. Nah, bro, he's the GOAT.
He's the goat.
Yep, see? GOAT. Goated. Excuse me. Double, excuse me. Okay. Save up for a monkey village. He carried that round. Good shit.
Man, I don't know, man.
I don't want to get night vision. I'll go elite sniper, I guess. I'll just go elite sniper this round. That's fine. I like getting large caliber and elite defender. It's like Shoots fast, 7 layers, gone. That's a whole zebra balloon. I guess we'll just go. I mean, the supply drop's good. Ooh, okay. We do a double shot. I don't know what path I did. Okay, yeah, we got a double shot. That's good. Sniper can pop camos, right? Goat. I could pay up my tab, pull myself in a cab, and be back to work before 2. A juggernaut on the field.
Goodness. Oh my goodness.
Have not done it. Shit! With the ice monkey. Ice monkey! Another lead popper on the field. In case any slip by a big man. Probably go Glaives. I'm not that good at this game. Uh-oh. First big balloon coming up. Ooh, hang on. Sure, we'll go this path, actually. I like this one. That's fine. Sound effect of a boomerang. Rate that in the comment section, 1 through 10. If that was a good boomerang sound effect, let me play it again. Rate that in the comment section. Oh, didn't even know that. Hang on. Nah. Super Monkey time, anyways. Anyways, gamers. Super Monkey 8675309 here. Ooh, yeah. Super Monkey's good defense. We like him. Life is
Not Roblox, actually. Sorry. Someone had to say it.
Hang on, this one just, yeah, pop all balloons. So we could go Dark Knight. Or Dark Champion. No, never mind. Don't have it unlocked.
I'm done.
Oh yeah, camo balloons exist. Forgot.
Yeah.
Alright, we really need radar scanner. Let's go. It's much more useful. Alright, now we save up for super range.
Oh my goodness.
Bro, he's throwing heat! Look at him! Bro's the GOAT for no reason. Ooh, pop my foot real good. That's good. Fortified ceramic balloons? I was fortified once. Yeah, I think our Super Monkey is gonna be doing most of the work for now. Juggle drums as well. Yeah, no. We're gonna be. Whoa, what the fuck? We're gonna be set for life is Roblox. For a beat, might as well try and get some XP on the boat. Probably the top half. I like the top half a lot. And grapes. Yeah, Super Monkey, kind of carrying. Can't even lie. Oh, the Engineer Monkey doing some work. Oh. I got the cannon. I'm done. Hang on. Bro, when I bought the cannon, I was like, I'm done.
Target that ammo cannon on the first try.
Yeah, okay. Easy peasy. Yeah, we'll bounce him forward. Yeah, super blast, but blast. That's a plasma blast right there. Oh yeah. Yeah, no, I don't think we can lose this. Target. I want Sentry XP. Real bad.
You already know who it is. Tony Lion.
It's on your mind. It's on your mind.
Target.
Mommy. No one is with. Okay. Let's never bring that trend back ever. Or you'll never miss rapid fire. I like the plane as well. Do that.
All right. Target that enemy.
Mm-hmm.
What next?
What else? Oh, Sunchester. That might help. Or I mean, well, oh my goodness. One level away from the beast handling post. Excuse me. Damn good. Boom, tower defense. 6. Free iPhone iOS. Oh my goodness, one more round. Okay, here we go.
Target that BFB.
Oh yeah, that was difficult. No. Trust me on that one. I had a real tough time completing that level. Part of the thing. What? Did that save? No, I'm done. Anyways, okay, bye.
Why do you think it's productive to be a dick to teenagers on the internet? Literally, you're the reason that people might have mental health crises.